Hello friends, in today's video we are going to see how to make two different types of raita. One is fruits raita, another is normal raita. For the fruits raita, the ingredient you need is tomato, carrot, pomegranate, onion, cucumber and grapes. Take all this in one bowl and mix it with curd along with a little bit of salt. Make sure that you are not supposed to add water in this. This is one type of raita where you will be adding only onion, chopped chilies, curd, and coriander leaf, and mix it. Mix it well with little pinch of salt. Take little bit of pomegranates in this and mix it and serve it. You can have this with biryani or you can have this in summer season. Try this recipe. See you next video. Take care. Bye bye.